Ho ho! Bingo! Ho ho ho! Here we go!
Welcome everybody, this is your boy SMB1985 back with another reaction video, and this time I'm going to be going back of reacting to some more YouTube poop videos. Here we go again, some more YTP videos. And I hope I find some good ones, cause holy shit. Oh boy, my previous YouTube poops was just why. Anyways, I'm gonna be going back of reacting to EmperorLemon's his hidden YouTube poop videos, just like I did with Finding Nemo and Shrek, the collab version. And then I will find some other different YouTube poop YouTubers or YouTube poopers or YouTube YTP tubers. How about that? YTP YouTubers. Yeah, YTP tubers. I'll find some different ones of them besides just EmperorLemon. But I just want to share y'all some. Hopefully they're good. Like, oh my god, what am I saying? EmperorLemon's YouTube poops are nuts. Absolute nuts. So I'm gonna be reacting to another Disney YouTube poop called it's from Cars. It's a Cars YouTube poop, and I like Lightning McQueen because he's fast. He could probably compete against Turbo, but I think Turbo's gonna win because, you know, Turbo the snail. Has anybody ever watched Turbo besides just Cars? I think Turbo isn't a Disney. It's more like a... What is Turbo? What is Turbo? Is it like... Is the Turbo movie... Is it DreamWorks? Is it maybe related to Smurfs? Because it's like a 2013 movie. I used to see Turbo a lot. Even on cable TV. When I was across the street in my previous home from here. Long time ago. Turbo was really good. Like, anybody in the comments want to bet like Lightning McQueen against Turbo? They should have put that death battle between Lightning McQueen and Turbo. Turbo the snail. Like, let me refresh your memories. Whoa! The snail is fast! What? Are you seeing this? Oh my god! I do not. Well, it had that Turbo movie has to be related to Smurf. Oh my god, I'm talking about the movie brand. The movie brand. I don't think it's DreamWorks. I don't think it's Disney. I don't think Turbo is Disney. But anyways, this is a YTP YouTube poop of Cars made by EmperorLemon. And over here it says YouTube poop Lightning McQueer in the quest for tires. I better get ready to prepare my ears, cause this is gonna be one fucked up YouTube poop entertainment. 4.1 million views. Jeez. Jeez. Oh my goodness. June 7th, 2014. That was where it originally was posted. So I'm gonna get started and react to this. So hope y'all have a good time. Hope y'all have a good life. Cause shit. Oh, this is gonna be fucked up. This is gonna be fucked up. Oh, okay. Get ready, guys. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready to rumble. And speaking of Lightning McQueen, I used to have a Lightning McQueen toy merchandise toy a long time ago. I would bring it with me and my other toys with me after we had moved out in our previous old home or old neighborhood. And when we moved in this neighborhood in like 2014, like the beginning year of 2014, in the late year of 2014, I used to make like tons of childhood videos that's no longer available anymore. I like related to Lightning McQueen. I would use to title the video called The Racing Tournament. I think I named it like part 1. Instead of saying part with P-A-R-T, I would say part with P-T-1. That's how I used to say part in my super old videos. I was like 12 years old through 13, making like lots of tons of memories. But now I ended up uploading them on Google Plus, and unknowingly Google Plus got shut down, and I've never got a chance to rescue all of my stuff out of that app and put it somewhere else. So it was already too late. Lost all of them except the field on my abandoned first channel. It was about 3 of them that it was saved. That's like in real life recordings. Yeah, it was about 3 of them. Yes, 3 of them was saved in my very, very, very old first channel that's abandoned. But yeah, that's my story. There was that one scene that I remembered in my deleted lost childhood video where I guess Lightning McQueen was found guilty for killing Gordon the tank engine. So they had I made the guards electrocute Lightning McQueen and he was shocked. And then I made him spin around. Oh my god, man. I want to tell y'all so many memories I remembered. And I wanted to just tell y'all my story like that. Man, I miss my videos to death, I swear. But yeah, I used to title the video The Racing Tournament Part 1 with a PT. And I believe Lightning McQueen was there. I used him for my race. I used my Hot Wheels toys for my race. My Thomas and Friends toys for my race video. And yeah, I will play the toys from upstairs to downstairs, and then they went outside, and then they had to go back inside again and go upstairs, and I threw my toys across the across the room. Oh my goodness, man. Some of my toys was kind of broken, by the way. Jeez, I was chaotic as a 12-year-old or 13 during 2014. Oh my god, those were the old days. Those were the old days of YouTube. So without further ado, we're gonna get this YouTube poop started now. Hope y'all enjoy it. And there goes my sanity. I do not know what to expect. I really do not know what to expect, but we're gonna prepare now. We're really gonna have to prepare for this. So without further ado, let's get this started right now before I lose it. Oh my god!
Give me the wallet.
Yo! What? Stole my fucking wallet. Whoa! What the hell was that all about? Oh, blaming on Disney, huh?
Speed. I am speed.
Yeah, he's Speed. Wait, he's Speed? Oh, wait, he's Sonic?
Our energy is focus. Speed.
5 hour energy.
Smoke weed for breakfast.
He smoked weed? Oh my god.
Would you shut up? I'm trying to masturbate up here.
Oh god. YouTube poop. Lightning McQueer in the crust tires. Double kill, triple kill.
Holy
Shit. NASCAR.
Whoa, whoa, guys, whoa, whoa.
What? Oh my god. A lot of chaos. Lots of chaos. Oh, with that orange car. They can't even name that car. Jenga. What is this? Star Trek? Star Wars?
Never tell me
What is that? Jump away! More weed. And welcome to the jail.
Shaq, would you be willing to suck your mom?
Come on! No! No! Incest moment. Blast off! No tires!
freaking idiot.
Yeah, you an idiot! Mario Kart? They had that. Warrior Raceway. Oh, he got hit by a red shell. Now the blue shell's coming. No. Motherfucker! Cleveland. What the
Horse's ass.
Delicious! Because I'm a one-man show.
That was a very clean.
No!
Chuck, yo, what are you doing?
Do I need to say that shit?
Yo. Back away. What? We quit, Mr. Shit. How will I ever
Mr.
find
Shit.
anyone else who knows how to fill my ass with gas? Adios, Chuck.
I mean, that's kind of true.
McQueer.
I mean, cars do need gas.
Stupid. How do you think
So does trucks, buses.
To be the man, you gotta beat the man.
That is
Gotta beat the man.
the king.
Oh, my boy. John Mentor. So terrifying.
No. Yes, no.
Yes. Yes.
McQueer here. Billy Mays here. And
Billy Mays.
And I use Admiral Akbar cereal. Rusty's
Oh my god. What?
Sue's a rusty ass. Like
Rusty ass.
Wow. Look at that shit. YouTube. No tires, just gas. YouTube.
Okay.
Look like me. Cut.
What is with that tongue?
Lightning McQueer.
McQueer. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly.
Fuck you. I hate rusty cars.
Oh, deal with it, boy.
Coming in.
Nobody cares.
Oh God. Oh boy. I am not gonna hear the.
Is that Peter Griffin?
You've done it, idiots.
Yeah, you an idiot. Oh, is that Big Mac? Big Mac. Who is that kid just seizuring? You know where. Bullet! Bullet!
Gay niggas.
The racism. Windows. Windows. Oh! Why would they do that? Why would they put that? Oh!
I'm pissed.
He's pissed! Oh my god. Oh, poor McQueen. He got
The three
fished.
victims were part of a
Nap.
success.
He got car nap. Fuck her like in a pussy. Fuck
I'm
her
standing
right.
here with Fred.
Oh, that's the same guy? What?
I want him out of our town.
That's racist! Oh, I see him from Nemo.
I'll clean it for you.
That won't be
Matrix.
Hey, McQueen.
What the hell was that? Yo. You okay, McQueen? Are you alright?
It looks awful.
No, it matches the rest of the town.
Marley McQueen is dominating radar.
Turn right to go right. No
No shit.
Stop you,
Oh!
idiot.
Dang, you savage.
Turn right to go right left. Yes, no.
Oh! Looney Tunes! McQueen is Coyote. Luigi? What are you doing? Oh, it's a tractor. Don't wake him up. Don't wake the tractor. Don't wake him up. No! They sound like cows, man. Oh, what was my life? Yo. Yo. Yo, what the? Hey, Heavy. Why? Why do you have piss in cups? Why? Don't they lick oil? Why are they licking piss?
Forecast 100% chance of.
Forecast.
Yes.
What the hell? What the actual fuck? Kachiga? Kachiga?
Get to the chopper!
Get to the chopper!
This whole class is gonna feel my
Tires! Rock on, dudes! Rock on, dudes! In memory, abducted at Disney's Tragic Kingdom. Never forget. The wallet from the beginning? Oh, this is ridiculous! This is the most ridiculous Cars YouTube poop I've ever seen! Oh my goodness! Oh my god. Oh no. Cars humping and... So apparently cars can make babies instead of being repaired, they actually feeling like they're human beings. What the fuck did I just witness right now? In the Disney, the demonic Disney intro in the beginning, I was about to say something, but then they talking about the Disney's castle eating somebody's wallet. This is so retarded I've ever seen. Oh my goodness, yo. This was crazy fucking weird. Then it showed McQueen licking a horse's ass. Fuck! Okay. That YouTube poop is done. Hope y'all enjoy my YouTube poop cars by EmperorLemon. Why? Just fucking why? Just why? Oh, that is so damn fucking cringy. Ugh. Oh, why do y'all love this type of cringe YouTube poop? Why do y'all love this type of graphical cringe YouTube poop? Anyways, 1985 signing out. See y'all in the next YouTube poop video. Till then, this is dude.